Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Thursday, June 22nd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in tonight. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by $1.75 right now. They are sitting at 24.31 3/4 per contract. So all in all, a little bit of a muted move today. Yesterday we did see some weakness in the Dow and the S&P as well as the Russell, but the NASDAQ was strong. So it was a mixed tape, and we'll see what today brings. But we have lots of stocks in the news. That's what we're going to focus our attention, and let's get right to it. First stock we're going to look at today is going to be ORCL. ORCL is the ticker symbol here. You all know the name. Right now the stock is trading up at $51.74. It closed at $46.33, so good pop here for ORCL. When I look at the stock, though, I have to think that it is getting very, very overbought. So if you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, I would not be looking to take a piece of it here. So again, we're going to be looking at this name. There could be a chance of a fade. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We will be looking at this one at the opening bell. There is a chance of a fade for ORCL, but right now it's holding up pretty well. Pretty strong move, but if it goes up a little bit more, I do think this is a fade candidate. Next up, we want to take a look at ACN, which is Accenture. This is the stock right now is getting hit pretty hard. Closed at $127.11, trading now at $123.30. Couple levels I have here. If you're really aggressive, you can look at the 120.80, 120.75 level. If you are not, there's an excellent level just below 116. So let's call it 115.90. Right in that area, I think you can play ACN with pretty good confidence. So an aggressive level is around 120.80. A non-aggressive level would be right around a pierce of the 116 level. Let's call it 115.90. But ACN getting hit pretty hard here ahead of the opening bell this morning. Let's take a look at Staples. Staples, I believe, has a possible M&A deal with a private equity firm. Stock right now is trading at $9.22. It closed at $8.66. So good little pop there. I don't see this thing going all that much higher, but either way, you could keep it on the radar. Let's take a look at HAIN Celestial. HAIN is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $35.20, closed at $33.16. It looks like they finally released their Q10 or their earnings report and their guidance. It was all delayed. It looks like it came out with pretty good results. So again, the stock is trading higher. But look at this level I'm seeing right on the daily chart. Right here at that 200-day moving average at $37. That will be a wall of resistance when hit. So again, that is your big resistance today for HAIN Celestial, which is gapping up ahead of the opening bell today. Let's go over to American Airlines. Looks like there's some news on American that Qatar Airlines looks to buy a 10% stake in the company. This is causing the stock to get a really good bid this morning. Stock right now is trading at $51.15. I think it still can go a little bit higher. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, it's very difficult to try to jump in an equity up here at these levels. But again, this still can go a bit higher. I would think it could go to $52.50, maybe $53. We'll see how that plays out. Other airlines are most likely in play today. Let's take a look at Southwest, ticker symbol LUV. That is up. UAL, United Airlines, trading higher as well. Let's take a look at Delta Airlines. DAL is ticker symbol. That is up ahead of the opening bell. So again, all of the airline stocks are catching bids on this news that Qatar Airlines is going to buy a 10% stake in American. We'll see how that plays out going forward. But nonetheless, that is bullish news, and the stock on American Airlines can still go up a little bit more. Let's take a look at a few Chinese ADRs. WB getting hit really hard today. Stock closed at $76.96. It is now trading at $69.50. This is a pretty good sell-off. It looks like Chinese regulators have ordered the company to halt audio and video programming services. So again, you can check out the news for yourself. This is a big hit, though. I do see some support for the stock around $61.50. Keep it on the radar today. That is quite the sell-off. Other stocks getting hit on this news. SINA Corp. Stock is trading at $85.01. Stock closed at $91.93. I am seeing some support around the $76 level, maybe 75, 80 to 76 bucks, around there. Next up, we want to take a look at YY. This is also in the same industry group. Stock is trading at $57, closed at $58.98. This is coming down pretty decently. If this gets down to the low 50s, let's call it 51, 51 and a quarter, there could be some support there. So again, Chinese ADR is under pressure on news that Chinese regulators have ordered the WB, which is Weibo, to halt audio and video programming services. I don't know how to make much out of it, but we can make much out of the chart. So we'll keep looking at that chart, and we'll see what it gives us. Levels I gave you right now are still valid. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market. GLD today trading right around the 119.12 level. Looks like spot gold up about $8 today. That's a pretty good move for spot gold. It's even moving higher with the stronger dollar, so something going on there. Spot gold catching a nice bid, and again, right now the GLD is trading at 119.21. GLD is a good gold ETF to use. Next up, we want to take a look at crude oil here. Crude oil is up 19 cents to $42.72 a barrel. Crude got hit yesterday pretty hard. Let's take a look at the USO. USO right now is trading at $8.79, closed at $8.71, so it is upticking a little bit there as well. And we'll see how this market plays out. Again, pretty volatile start to the week. We had a big up day on Monday, big down day on Tuesday. Yesterday was a mixed message day, and we'll see what today brings. So all in all, again, if you want to trade alongside of us, we had a pretty solid day again yesterday in the intraday stock chat room. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see what we're doing in there. You can watch our desktops live. Also, trade right alongside of us. So again, we've had a great 2017, another solid day yesterday, and we're going to look to keep that going today. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.